Okay, next up we have All Star.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kinda dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the kids start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart while your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know when you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Got the show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold. All the shooting stars
Alright. So it's not our first song for day 11, but I did one like at 2 in the morning or something, 3 in the morning. But yeah, that was Smash Mouth.